Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Are you fine? Yes, okay. My name is Ashwati, your new English teacher. Today we are going to move our third block. First and second block are almost covered our Musfira ma'am. And in this block we have an interesting story. Do you like stories? Yes, do you like stories? Tell me, who told you story at your home? Who tells you a story at your home? Yes, I can't hear. Say loudly. Who tells story at your home? Yes, your ma, pa, grandma or grandpa. Yes? Okay. Tell me, what type of story do you like most? What type? Yes. Do you like the story of animals? Yes? Okay, in this block, we have an interesting story. And here we have a hero. Who's that? Who's that? Can you guess? Yes? That's our Kichu. Kichu is a monkey. This is our Kichu. But Kichu has a problem. What's your problem? Kichu can't sleep. His eyes are opened, but he can't sleep. What happened to him? Do you want to know what happened to him? So, let's move to the chapter. Are you ready? Yes, say loudly. Are you ready? Okay, the title of the chapter is Kichu Monkey can't sleep. Kichu monkey can't sleep. Kichu monkey can't sleep. What happened to him? Let's move to the chapter. So you just take your content book. This is your content book. Okay, here you just take your third block. Can you see Kichu? Can you see Kichu? This is our Kichu. Kichu is laying on the bed. His eyes are opened, but he can't sleep. What happened to him? Okay, let's move. Okay. This is our Kichu. The title of the chapter, Kichu Monkey Can't Sleep. Kichu Monkey can't sleep. Kichu Monkey can't sleep. Kichu Monkey can't sleep. His mother is singing. Kichu's mother is singing. Kichu's mother is singing. And shall we sing? Yes? Are you ready? Okay. First I will sing. You just follow me. Okay? Okay. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, John, you. Oh, John, you. Pitter, patter, raindrops. Pitter, patter, raindrops. I went through. So are you. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, John, you. Oh, John, you. Pitter, patter, raindrops. Pitter, patter, raindrops. I went through. So are you. Shall we sing? Will you join with me? Yes, you just stand up. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, John, you. Oh, John, you. Pitter, patter, raindrops. pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through. I'm wet through. So are you. Did you enjoy the song? Yes? Okay. And shall we again move to our chapter? Kichu monkey can't sleep. Kichu monkey can't sleep. His mother is singing. Kichu's mother is singing. Yes. And his father is dancing. Kichu's father is dancing. Can you see? Kichu's father is dancing here. Look at this picture. Okay. And his mother is, tell me louder. Mother is singing. Yes, very good. His father is dancing. Kichu's father is dancing. Yes, very good. And his brother is jumping. Kichu's brother is jumping. Show me how to jump. Show me. Yes, very good. Enough. Okay, like this. Okay. And Kichu's brother, his brother is jumping. Yes, very good. Kichu's brother is jumping. His sister is crying. Kichu's sister is crying. Okay. His mother is, from the boy's side, mother is singing. Brother is jumping. Sister is crying. Father is dancing. Very good. And here, Kichu monkey goes out. Kichu can't tolerate this noise. So he goes out. Kichu goes out. Where? Kichu monkey goes out. The moon is shining. Moon is shining. Kichu monkey can't tolerate this noise. So he goes outside where moon is shining. Where we can see moon? Yes, tell me. Where we can see moon? In the sky. Yes, we can see moon in the sky. The birds are sleeping. Birds are sleeping. Kichu monkey goes out where the moon is shining. Birds are sleeping. Okay. And Kichu monkey sits by the river. Kichu monkey sits by the river. The fish are leaping. Fish are leaping. Fish are leaping. The frogs are smiling. The frogs are smiling. Kichu monkey sits by the river. Kichu monkey sits by the river where fish are, tell me, fish are leaping. Yes, very good. And the frogs are smiling. Yes, frogs are smiling. First, Kichu monkey's mother is singing. Kichu's mother is singing. Father is dancing. Kichu father is dancing. His brother is jumping. Yes. Sister is crying. So he can't tolerate the noise. So he goes outside. Where? Moon is shining. Moon is shining. Birds are sleeping. Yes. The fish are, tell me, fish are leaping. Yes, fish are leaping. Fish are leaping. Fish are leaping. Frogs are smiling. Frogs are smiling. Very good. And Kichu close his eyes. Kichu close his eyes. Now Kichu is going to sleep. Kichu is going to sleep. And before you can say hip hip hooray. What's that? Hip hip hooray. First I will say hip hip. You just follow me. Hooray. Okay. Hip hip hooray. Yes, very good. Hip hip hooray. Yes, yes, yes. Hip hip hooray. Yes, very good. Now Kichu is going to sleep. Kichu monkey is asleep. Kichu monkey is asleep. Kichu monkey is dreaming. Kichu in dream. Kichu in dream. Yes. He is rolling to the left. He is rolling to the left. Then he rolling to the right. Then he rolling to the right. Kichu monkey asleep. Kichu monkey is asleep. Kichu monkey is dreaming. Kichu in dream. Okay. And that time he rolled to the left side. Then rolled to the right side. Okay. And he rolls right into the river. That time the next he tried to roll the right side. That time he fall to the river. Kichu is fall to the river. Oh my God, Kichu is fall. He is full of wet. Can you hear the sound? Splash. Can you hear the sound? Splash. Kichu now wet. Kichu monkey is wide awaken. Soon is wide awaken. Okay. He swim to the land. He swim to the land. He is cold. He is cold. He can't tolerate the cold. Okay. And Kichu monkey is wide awaken. Soon is wide awaken. He sings to land. He swim to land. He is cold. He is cold. Can you see the picture? He is cold. Yes. Here Kichu is falling to the river. Yes. He runs back to home. Kichu runs back to home. Runs back home. Kichu, he runs back home. His mother is singing. Kichu's mother is singing. Father is dancing. Brother is jumping. Sister is, tell me, sister is crying. Kichu's sister is crying. Okay. Kichu, he runs back to home. He runs back home. His mother is singing. His mother is singing. His father is dancing. His father is dancing. His brother is jumping. His sister is crying. But Kichu monkey doesn't mind. Kichu doesn't mind. And is asleep. and Kichu is in sleep. Kichu in sleep. Now Kichu is sleep. Before you can say, hip, hip. Yes, hooray, very good. Hip, hip, hooray. Yes, very good. Have you understood the story? Yes? First, Kichu can't sleep. Kichu can't sleep. Why? Why Kichu can't sleep? Tell me, why? His mother is singing. Father is dancing. Yes. Brother is, tell me, brother is jumping. Sister is crying. Yes, that time he goes out, go to outside where the moon is shining. Moon is shining. Birds are sleeping. Birds are sleeping. Fish are leaping. Yes, very good. Fish are leaping. And the frogs are smiling. Yes, frogs are smiling. Now Kichu is going to sleep. Kichu in dreaming. Kichu in dreaming. Kichu in dreaming. Dream. Kichu in dream. And he rolled to the right side. What happened to him? He is full of wet. Yes? Yes. That time he is soon awakened. Wide awakened. And he swim to the land. Where then he goes back to, he runs back home. He runs back home. His mother is singing. Father is from the girl's side. Tell me, father is dancing. Yes. Brother is jumping. Okay. Sister is crying. Yes. Okay. Now, did you understand? Have you understand? Yes. So you just take your, before going to the workbook, and tell me, who are in Kichu's family? Who are in Kichu's family? Yes. His mother, Kichu's mother. What is the spelling of mother? What is the spelling of mother? M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Okay. Mother is what to do, mother? Mother is, tell me, what to do? Yes, singing. Mother is singing. Kichu's mother is singing. What to do, father? The next member? Father, yes. Father is, what is spelling of father? Tell me, what? F-A-T-H-E-R. Yes, father is, tell me, yes, dancing. Kichu's father is dancing. And Kichu's brother is jumping. Very good. B-R-O-T-H-E-R. Brother is jumping. Yes, Kichu's brother is jumping. And sister is, what the spelling of sister? S-I-S-T-E-R. Sister is? Sister is? Tell me. Sister is? Crying. Very good, very good. Kichu's mother is singing, father is dancing, brother is jumping, sister is crying. Okay, then shall we move to the workbook? Yes? Okay, you just take your workbook. This is your workbook, and here you just take third block. Okay, can you see? This is our third block. Okay. Can you see these 4 pictures? Yes? Okay. I just read the question. Okay. Kichu monkey can't sleep. Look at the picture. Look at the picture. Read the sentence. Read each sentence. Number them 1, 2, 3 and 4 as they have happened in the story. Kichu monkey can't sleep. Can you see these 4 pictures? Yes, but it had a problem. This is doesn't its order. It's not in order. You just order them. Okay, you make it order. Soon, you just do that. Okay, first picture, Kichu get wet. First Kichu get wet? Yes? No. Kichu monkey can't sleep. First, Kichu monkey can't sleep because his father, mother, brother, sister make noise. That's why he can't sleep. Okay. Then Kichu sleeps by the river. Kichu sleeps by the river. Kichu goes out. Kichu goes out. Which is first? First one is Kichu can't sleep. So that's why he goes outside. Kichu goes out. Kichu goes out. Where he said, Kichu sleeps by the river. Kichu sleeps by the river. And that time he falls to the river. Kichu gets wet. Kichu gets wet. Okay. And you just read the question and answer, okay? Okay, and here I gave you an activity for you. I gave you a homework. Okay, that is draw a picture showing the Kichu's family. Draw a picture showing Kichu's family. Okay, and write about your picture. Write about your picture. Draw about Kichu's family. Draw a picture showing Kichu's family. Draw a picture showing Kichu's family and write about your picture. That's your work. Okay. You just do for the next class. Okay. And have you understood? Yes? We just sing the previous song? Yes? Shall we ready? You just stand up. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Hold on you. Hold on you. Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. So I'm wet through. I'm wet through. So are you. Once more. We try. Yes. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Hold on you. Hold on you. Pitter patter raindrops. Pitter patter raindrops. I wet through. So are you. Yes, very good. Keep it up. Now you just read text at least 3 times. Okay. Okay, we will meet for the next class. Thank you.